Now for the fourth test is the Acrolein test. So the two test tube contains around 0.5 gram of KHSO4. So on this first test tube, I am going to add 3 drops of coconut oil. Now on the second test tube, I am going to add a glycerol. Then after the addition of the oils, we will going to heat the mixture and note for the odor. Then first we're doing the coconut oil, then after the glycerol. So note for the odor. For the glycerol, now for our fifth test is the test for unsaturation. So we have the control test tube which contains it is a mixture of chloroform and iodine reagent. Now for the first test tube, it contains a coconut oil. We have the stearic acid, the linseed oil, and the oleic acid. Now we will going to add a 3 ml of chloroform to each of the test tubes. Then after that, a drop by drop addition of the Hubble's iodine reagent. Then upon the addition, we're going to shake the test tube in between. This is for test tube 1, which contains a coconut oil. So observe. Then for the second, the stearic acid. Now, for the third test tube is the linseed oil. Then, for the last test tube, it contains the oleic acid. So, observe each test tube, what happened. Again, this is our control test tube. This one contains a coconut oil Observe. This contains a stearic acid. Observe. This contains a linseed oil. What happened? Then, this contains the oleic acid. Okay. So, observe what happened to the 5 test tubes.